why being a small YouTuber is a pretty good thing. All of the YouTubers, Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, all of that, I can't name too many YouTubers off the top of my head because honestly, I don't watch that much YouTube. Very rarely do I watch YouTube. I only do it when I eat food or I'm watching Netflix. It's one of the two. As you can tell, this is a tiny YouTube channel. Go to the comments and tag your friends that do YouTube. Don't do that. The reason why I'm saying it's a good thing is because you can turn it into a tight-knit community of people who are involved within your niche. Whether you're talking about fitness, self-improvement, you might be talking about relationships, finances, whatever it may be. If you have a tight-knit community around that, then all help each other out as much as you can compared to the bigger YouTube channels. And the good thing is, having a small YouTube channel is, even though it's sucky, no one likes being the small fish in a big pond. Nobody likes having less than 100,000 subscribers. No one likes having less than 1,000 subscribers. For instance, this channel. The good thing is that you are allowed to experiment. I have friends that do YouTube and you're allowed to try different things if things aren't working. If you're making gaming content, for example, because I have a friend who does gaming, used to do gaming, but then I stopped because I sort of fell out of gaming. I want to get back into it, but just trying to find the time. There's an ambulance. It's difficult when you have a full-time job, you're trying to do YouTube, all that sort of stuff. No matter what it says, time is not on your side when you do YouTube. You're allowed to experiment with different things, You might be faceless, you might do different types of content, you might do let's plays, you might do funny moments. Back in the day where people used to play Call of Duty and just talk about their life and all that sort of stuff, understand that if you're a small YouTuber, you can do that. You won't be bombarded with consequences that bigger YouTubers have. Mr. Beast. If Mr. Beast started making random videos about tech products, I don't think a lot of his audience, and especially because his audience is primarily younger people, I don't think a lot of people would resonate with that because it's not the hyped up, most edited thing ever like a lot of his videos are. Good thing for him is he's making lots of money, all that sort of stuff, but the bad thing is he can't switch, he can't pivot to something else. But if you're a small YouTube channel, one, nobody cares about what I make. Not many people are going to see this. So therefore, if I pivot and change to something else, I might be ambitious about nasal sprays. I might want to talk about this. I might be a health nut and talk about nasal sprays. Nobody cares if I talk about nasal sprays. However, if I was bigger, I would already have a chance. Understand that being a small YouTuber, even though it's a little bit sucky, understand that having a tight-knit community, whether it's self-improvement, whatever it is, understand that's a good thing because you can help more people. I want to help people to get onto self-improvement. I want to help people go to the gym. I want to help people, who still play video games because I still play video games, somewhat be productive in life besides just having a job. Go towards your passions. For me, this is not a passion. It's just a thing I want to do because obviously I want to make money. I want to buy a sports car and that's my goal. But for me to reach my goal, I have to help a whole bunch of people and I have to, I have to know what I'm talking about. I have to push people in the direction where they want to go, whether it's, if they want to start a YouTube channel, they want to do self-improvement and things along that nature. Self-improvement, fitness, self-confidence, and all that sort of stuff. It's a good thing for you because if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, if I can do it, anyone can do it. And I don't mean, post a video, get 1 million views. I mean just starting, taking action, which is, pressing your record button on your iPhone, having your nasal spray, and simply just talking to the camera. If I can do it, someone who has a stutter, a speech impediment, and a lisp, if I can do it, if I can make a video, anyone in the world can do it. So if you're thinking about doing YouTube or you're thinking about doing some sort of social media stuff, definitely get onto it. Or if you're thinking about going to the gym, sign up to the gym today. Go do that thing, go be more healthy, go do the things that you want to do instead of letting society tell you what you should do. Like, buy a house because your mommy and daddy told you to buy a house. You think that's the only goal in life. It's not. You know, you do you. If you want to be crazy like me, you want to try and buy a Porsche 911 somehow, magically, when I've not even got $10,000, no. Go do it, find a way. Keep going towards your dreams, no matter what it is. Just do it, because you're in a position where you can impact people, have a small YouTube channel, have a tight-knit community, talk about whatever you want to talk about. Have a good day.